What if Earth had two moons instead of one? Imagine stepping outside to gaze at the night sky and seeing not one, but two luminous moons casting their glow on Earth. The beauty would be breathtaking, a celestial dance of dual moons. But beyond the staggering visuals, what deeper scientific changes would emerge from this cosmic shift? Two moons mean double the gravitational impact. Tides would become chaotic, with the overlapping pulls of the moons creating extreme tidal surges in some areas and complete stillness in others. Coastal cities might face flooding disasters, while other ecosystems could collapse or evolve due to these dramatic water movements. Over time, two moons would slow Earth's rotation even more than one. A day could stretch far beyond the 24 hours we know. This would alter weather systems, seasons, and even how life has evolved on this planet, all shaped by the way Earth spins beneath the heavens. The two moons wouldn't remain static. They would orbit based on their unique gravitational interactions with each other and Earth. Collisions, orbital wobbles, or one moon spiraling outward could create cosmic chaos, potentially reshaping our planetary system as we know it. The night sky wouldn't just be beautiful but unpredictable. A second moon would profoundly alter human culture. Mythology, astrology, and even scientific advances have long been influenced by our singular moon. What new stories would civilizations craft to explain why two moons govern our skies? People might also feel inspired, or unnerved, by the constant presence of two lunar companions. Imagine eclipses that feature not one shadowed moon but two, stunning alignments where both appear to race across the sun. Nighttime skies would feature overlapping orbits, glowing crescents in tandem, and dazzling light displays, scenes that would make even seasoned stargazers marvel endlessly. The altered gravitational forces and extended days might have prevented life from forming as we know it. Yet, in this alternate scenario, life could adapt uniquely, thriving amidst the changes. Would Earth's creatures evolve differently alongside dual moons, possibly influencing the paths of evolution and intelligence? While Earth having two moons may only be a what if, considering scenarios like this deepens our understanding of how fragile and interconnected our planet's systems are. It also sparks wonder about the infinite, unpredictable possibilities in our universe, reminding us how small yet extraordinary our home is. The idea of two moons reshaping Earth is astounding, but it's just one of many cosmic what-ifs worth exploring. So, what other planetary wonders are out there waiting to be imagined? If this fascinates you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Let's uncover the universe together.